Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Hangul reading series. I'm so excited to begin this journey with you. Have you ever tried learning Japanese or Chinese? You may have felt overwhelmed by the need to memorize thousands of characters. Well, here's the good news. Hangul, the Korean writing system, is completely different. Most learners can read it in just a few hours. Why is that? Because Hangul is not a system of pictures or meanings, but a phonetic alphabet. It is a perfect sound system. Every letter represents one exact sound, and every sound has one exact letter. In this series, you'll start from the very beginning and learn to read real Korean words. Today, we'll start with the big picture. We'll explore what Hangul is made of and how it works. Hangul has exactly 14 consonants and 10 vowels. That's all there is. With just 24 letters, you can read the entire Korean language. English has 26 letters, but its pronunciation rules are quite irregular. Look at these three words:
through, though, tough.
They look similar, but they are pronounced completely differently. Korean isn't like that. Once you learn each Hangul letter and its sound, you can accurately read any Korean word. That's why Hangul is called a perfect phonetic writing system. Now let's look at the most important concept in today's lesson. Let's see how Hangul forms one syllable or one sound unit. Every Korean syllable is written as a single block, and each block follows one of two patterns. The first pattern is consonant plus vowel. Like
가, 나, 다.
One consonant and one vowel combine to form a syllable block. The second pattern is consonant, vowel, and consonant. For example,
한,
and
국,
have an additional consonant at the end. This final consonant is called
받침.
We'll learn it in detail later, but for now, let's look at the word.
한국,
This word has two syllable blocks. They are
한,
and.
국.
Each one is a single sound unit. And here's something really beautiful. Each syllable block is one beat. When Koreans speak, every block has the same rhythm.
한국, 사랑, 안녕.
You can almost feel the rhythm, like music. Now let me tell you something that most textbooks don't mention. Hangul was not discovered, it was invented. It was designed from scratch by King Sejong in 1443. It was created so that anyone could learn it easily. The shapes of the consonants were not made at random. They were modeled after the shapes of the mouth and tongue when making each sound. For example,
기억,
represents the back of the tongue touching the throat.
니은,
Represents the tip of the tongue touching the roof of the mouth. It is a writing system based on human anatomy. That's why linguists and scholars around the world consider Hangul one of the most scientifically designed writing systems in history. You're not simply learning letters. You're learning a system designed for people. How many basic consonants does Hangul have? What are the two patterns of Korean syllable blocks? The word
한국,
has two syllable blocks. What are they? Now, let's review what we learned today. Hangul has 14 consonants and 10 vowels. Every syllable is written as one block, using either a consonant plus vowel or consonant plus vowel plus consonant pattern. Each block represents one beat. and the entire Hangul system is perfectly phonetic. Just read it exactly as you see it. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like and subscribe. Let us know your native language in the comments. I'd love to know which country you're from. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.